Hello, my name is Ciera.
Mine is Eli. Now
And today we have
a fence lizard for you. He has nice scales. Can you get a nice on him? Get a nice one on. Isn't he beautiful? I just found him in a crevice. He's about 6 inches. It has a nice tail and should run really fast. Look up at his head. And also how to distinguish with meow. This guy has green, so look at that. He's clawing onto me. There's green on him. See, look at that. And he's climbing on me pretty well.
He's a pretty nice lizard and very healthy indeed. Here, let me hold him. Come here.
You don't grab him off. Don't grab him off. Put your finger out.
Here, I'm gonna lift him a little bit. Come on.
See? Look at him.
His eyes are on the side of his head and kind of
Come on, stop moving him.
And he also has little claws on his little fingers. There's little sharp.
Can you flatten him out? Can you? Thank you.
He hissed at me.
That's pretty funny. See, look at that guy.
Lizards always want to hiss at you when they're very scared or mad. So, see you, and I'm Ciera.
And I'm Eli.